Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Greg B up here chilling up here at the Toy Drive meet that we're doing now for all the kids. And just gonna do a small quick video, do a quick run around of the cars outside and go from there. So like I said, your boy Greg B, check it out. Not only I cut grass, I also hang out with the car guys too. So representing my Scion and having fun. It's all for the kids. So I'll do a quick walk around. So I'll turn the camera around and y'all can do look around. This is the way I do, and let's have fun. Let's do it. So over here at the Phoenix Gold section, all kinds of stuff, and people who have, you can do all kinds of things, man. Remote start and car stuff and radios and CD players and subwoofers, you name it. Everything for Apple phones, everything from Android phones, Apple CarPlay, Android audio. So pretty neat stuff, man. Technology is the way to go. So over here, pretty cool stuff. If you have a boat, car, SUV, jet ski, ATV, you name it, it could be done. Motorcycles, it could be done. It could be done. There you go. Soundwave Customs here in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Give them a call. Hit them up on Google. Give them a call. Do your thing. So there's the boss man right there. Boss man.
What's going on, guys?
Yes, sir. That's the boss man right there. So, whoo, that thing was bright. LED bars for your SUV, truck, Jeep, you name it. Fog lights, all that good stuff. All right, like I said, we're here at the Toy Drive meet, raising money and be giving toys for all the kids of the CHKD hospital. Let me show you real quick over here. Try to sneak through. Oh, thanks, bro. Sneak through. A couple toys right there. Boxes everywhere. All right, let's go outside real quick. Let's do a quick round. I don't want to make this video too long. Yes, sir. Here we go.
Come with the two-tone paint.
So here's a little bit of everybody out here right now. We got all kind of cars, you name it. Cars, trucks, SUVs, station wagons, stickers. They're doing a base-off right now. A little bit of everything. We got sponsors all over the place. Soundwave Customs logos. There's a base-off going on right now. There you go. Wrapping it up. Let's see what's going on. What's he hitting there? Oh, it's hard to see. There we go. But we got a little bit of everything, guys. All kind of vehicles, all kind of makes, you name it, they're out here. I'll do a quick walk going down and then call it a day. So like I said, not only I cut grass and stuff, I also do cars. So it's pretty fun stuff. You meet a lot of people. Here we go. It's one of my favorites here. Yeah. Check that guy out. Boom. Here's another one of my favorites. Old school classic. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. Oh yeah. Let's come on down the line here. Yeah, everybody's playing their music, so you might be hearing all kinds of stuff. This is another one of my favorites right here. Toyota Corolla. Very clean. Very nice. Yes. Very nice. Very beautiful. There's another one here. This is another good one here. Check this out. 1, 2, 3. 3 alternators. And the reason why he needs 3 alternators, because, let's walk around back. He has, bam, he has that right there, peoples. Woo-wee! That is some stuff right there. Oh yeah, that's a good song there. Batteries tucked back in there. Yes. Yes. All right, we're at 6 minutes right now. Here we go. Boom. Yes. Scion TC. What? There you go. Y'all know this car. Bam. Look at these guys in there. Wave to YouTube. There you go. This is my little car. Y'all know it from the lawnmower videos. I washed it this morning. And as you know, boom. You know what that is? The Magic trailer hitch. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Like I said, we are live in effect here at the car show. Do a quick overview. Trying to make it still for you guys. Don't make it too shaky. But we got everything, guys and girls. SUVs, cars, trucks, a little bit of everything. Motorcycles, boom, hideous motorcycle. Very sweet, black and pink. Nissan, wow, this is nice. That is nice. Very clean. Whew. Subaru. From what I heard earlier, this guy is a show car. This is not a daily driver. This is only comes out for show. This one here. Yes. There's another Scion XB. Jelly. Yes. Yes. Got it all Christmas wrapped. TRD wheels. There you go. Looking good. Yeah, looking good. Yeah, buddy. There you go. Puerto Rico power right there. All right, what we got up in here? Little Lexus. There you go. Another clean one. Hold on, let me check these lug nuts. Check these out. Oh man, look at that. All right. So we'll go down the line here real quickly. Then now we can get it posted up. Yeah. There you go. They get some serious bass going on in there. Serious bass. This guy here surprisingly has some major bass going on. Check that out in there. Wow. Two, I think they're 18s. Unbelievable. That thing is, whew, That's all I can say. He was bumping. Bumping. This is a pretty cool Dodge here. Cut the top off. Made it convertible. Yes. All right. We're looking at 10 minutes, 14 seconds. Good deal. For y'all Dodge fans, here you go. It's all about the car culture today. Raising money, raising toys, collecting toys for all the kids. CHKD, Soundwave Customs Car Stereo Shop. Check this guy out. This is nice. Yes, sir. That is sweet. Love the LED bar. Yes. So if y'all want anything done, come see the guys out here, Soundwave Customs. I'll hold it here a minute. Take the number down, give them a call, check out their website, check out their Facebook, check out their Instagram. These guys are magic fingers. They do everything. They do it all. All right. So I'll walk up the line here. Then I'll let you guys go. But I'm gonna say it now before I end the video. Thanks again for watching, and appreciate all the views and the likes. And look at this thing. This is cool. Wow. Look at that. Ooh wee. That is nice and clean. Nice. That is super nice. Super nice. So, unfortunately, I like lawnmowers. If you have any comments that I could try to help, but any questions about car audio, video, remote start, there you go. There you go, brother.
Ammo ready, back.
Yeah. Check that out. LEDs in the rims. There you go. That's how they roll. Yeah. LEDs in the tires and the rims. Yes. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Bam.
2 FI SP4s.
There it is.
I'm gonna have them strapped on 4 7Ks.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
What else you gonna do to that?
I got a 3,000 watt highs amp to go on my 8s.
Okay. There you go. Wow. Work in progress.
Yes, sir.
That looks dope, man.
Still under construction, baby.
There you go.
Thank you,
This
baby.
good on YouTube, dude.
All right.
I'll give you the info in a little bit.
Alrighty.
Here you go. Woohoo!
Team never satisfied.
There you go. He said, "Never team, never satisfied." There it is. There you go. Look him up. Look him up, guys. Yes, sir. Check this guy out here. This is that bed liner material. Wow. Check that out. Bed liner material. Whew, that's probably heavy. So, all right, I want to make it 15 minutes. So we're at 13:35. Here we go. We got these big boys up here. Big ballers in the house. Wow. Check this out. Holy mackerel. The boss is here. Holy moly, look at that inside there. Woo! Wow. Yeah, these guys are rolling hard. All right, so we're at 1 minute. All right, guys, so thanks for watching. Appreciate the love. That's cool. There you go. There you go. Appreciate the love. Please give me a like, subscribe to me, all that good old stuff. But once again, raising money, collecting coins for all the kids at CHKD, and everybody having a good time. Couple kids playing with the cars. Yes. All right, guys. Y'all have fun. Be blessed. Thanks for watching. And As always, thanks for watching. Be blessed. Thank you. And if I don't make another one from here until then, you guys have a Merry Christmas. And have fun. Be safe. Happy New Year. And we'll see you later on. All right.
Great job. Awards are at 3:30.
Here we go.
Awards are at 3:30. Everything is right on time.
Awards 3:30. Let's see what happens.
Awards, so be sure to come on.
All right. 3:30. Award time. All right. Peace. God be safe. God bless. Peace.